Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 2 to the power of n plus 4 to the power of n plus 8 to the power of n is equal to 14, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we will rewrite this equation as, and now we can write here the factors or prime factors of 4 and 8. So we can write 2 to the power of n as it is, plus we have the prime factors of 4 are 2 to the power of 2 and its whole power n, plus the prime factors of 8 are 2 to the power of 3 and its whole power n is equals to 14. And now in the next step we can use here the nice exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, then we will interchange these two exponents and it cannot be factored our final answer, so that we can write it as a to the power of n to the power of m. So here I can just interchange these two exponents, and now similarly we will interchange the exponent of this term and this term as well. So now we will interchange the exponents and we can just get here the output in the form of 2 to the power of n, plus here we interchange these two and you get 2 to the power of n and its whole square, plus here you can interchange these two exponents and you get 2 to the power of n and its whole cubed, and this equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we can change this nice exponential equation into the cubic equation. So now we can take here y is equals to 2 to the power of n. So when you can take y is equals to 2 to the power of n, so this equation will becomes y plus y squared plus y cubed is equals to 14. And now we rearrange the terms and we can write this equation as y cubed plus y squared plus y, and we move this 14 in the left hand side and you get minus 14 is equals to 0. And in the next step we need to make the factors of this cubic equation. So in order to make the factor of this equation, we will rewrite these terms as, here first I can write this y cube, and here you have plus y square, and we will write this plus y square as minus 2y square plus 3y square. And after that we can write this y as plus 3 or minus 6y plus 7y, and here you have minus 14, so it will be written as it is, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we can easily make the factors of this equation. So now first you can take common y square on the first two factors, and you will get here y square into y minus 2, and you will take common 3y from these two factors and you will get here 3 times of y into y minus 2, and here you will take common plus 7 and you will get here y minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you can focus on all the terms and you see that y minus 2 present on each of the terms, so that we will take common y minus 2 and you will get here y squared plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0. And now here we have two cases. The first case is we take y minus 2 is equal to 0, and the other case is we take y square plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0. And in the first case you will get the value of y is equals to 2, and now we will find the other values of y in this quadratic equation. So now first we will complete the case number 1. So here you have y is equal to 2, and in the start of the question we will take the value of y is 2 to the power of n. So now we can put the value of y is 2 to the power of n is equals to 2, and here you see that the exponent of this 2 is 1. And when you can compare both of the sides, then you will get here the value of n is 1. So this is the our first root of this given equation. So now in order to find the other values, we will solve here this nice quadratic equation. So here we apply the quadratic formula, and here you have a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 3 and c is equals to 7. And you know that of the quadratic formula is equals to y is equals to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4 times of ac square root over 2 times of a. And now we can put all the values of a, b and c in this nice formula, and you will get here minus 3 plus minus, here you have b square, and the value of b is 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 7, and its whole square root over 2 times of a is 1. And now we will simplify the terms, and you will get here minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 28 square root over 2. And when you can open this square root, then you will get here minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 28 is equals to minus 19 square root over 2. And here you have y. And now we will back substitution of the y, and you know that the value of this y is 2 to the power of n, so that we will back substitute the value of y, and you will get here 2 to the power of n is equals to minus 3 plus minus minus 19 square root over 2. And now in order to find the value of n, we will take here the log on both of the sides of this equation, so that you will get here log of 2 to the power of n is equals to log of minus 3 plus minus minus 19 square root over 2. And now we can solve these two equations, or these two forms. So here you can, in the left hand side, you will apply here the log. So this exponent will be move front of this log, and you will get here n times of log 2 is equals to log of minus 3 plus minus minus 19 square root over 2. And when we move this log 2 in the right hand side, you will get here the final answer of this question is n is equals to log of minus 3 plus minus minus 19 square root over 2, and this whole over log 2. So this is the our second two roots of the given equation, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.